Are your Outlook emails feeling a little Euro blah? Let's ditch the dull and add some personality. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to effortlessly insert emojis into your Outlook emails to make your messages more expressive and engaging. First, open a new email or reply to an existing one in Outlook. Position your cursor where you want to insert the emoji. Next, look at the top of your Outlook window and click on the Insert tab. Now, navigate to the Symbols group. On the far right of the ribbon you should see a button labeled Symbol. Go ahead and click it. From the drop-down menu, select More Symbols Euro. This will open the Symbols dialog box. In the Symbols dialog box, locate the Font drop-down menu, click it and scroll through the list until you find Segoe UI Emoji. Select it. You'll now see a wide range of colorful emojis available. Scroll through the selection and choose the emoji you want to use. Once you found the perfect emoji, click on it to select it, then click the Insert button at the bottom of the dialog box. Voila! The emoji will appear in your email at the cursor's location. You can repeat these steps to insert as many emojis as you like. Now you can easily inject some fun and personality into your Outlook emails. Experiment with different emojis to find the perfect way to express yourself and connect with your recipients. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and helpful Outlook tips.